Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be reading thank you cards. So recently I went to my daughter's school and talked to her class about creative careers or hobbies. And all of the kids wrote me thank you cards. So I'm going to read them and I'll give you a little bit more in depth about what it was all about in the video. So if you want to know what they said to me, keep on watching. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and become a member of my YouTube family. And if you enjoy this video, please give a big thumbs up. So let's jump right on in and get started. So the creative careers or hobbies, what it was is if you are creative in your job or your hobby, you came in and you talked about it and how you get inspiration for things and stuff like that. So my daughter wanted me to do it, so I did it. And I talked all about YouTube and doing makeup videos and where I get inspiration for some of the makeup looks that I do, and showed them a whole bunch of pictures and they enjoyed it. I'm glad they enjoyed it. I was nervous because I haven't spoken in front of a class in like 15 years. So, but anyway, they got to ask me a bunch of questions and it was so cute. I did my daughter's makeup while we were there, just her eyes, and I put glitter on her eyes, and this little boy raised his hand and he asked me, he said, "Can you blow glitter again?" Because every time I do any video where I'm using glitter, I'll link one of them up there, I always blow off the excess and it goes everywhere. And they flipped out. They loved it. Who would have thought? Glitter. But anyway, it was really cute. But let's jump into this. There's a whole bushel of them. Like daggone. But that's cute. I like that they did that. That was nice. Okay, some of these don't have names on them though. I haven't read them, but my daughter flipped through them and told me that some of them didn't have names on them. But this one says thank you, and she, who's this from? Grace. Grace is this from. I'll cover up her last name. She drew a little picture of a palette and a brush. Just super cute. It says thank you for coming to our school and talking to us about what you do. That was really cute. Thank you, Grace. And this one says thank you, and he drew Joshua or Jose, I don't know who wrote this. I can't read his name. But he drew little YouTube play buttons and said, "Have fun making YouTube videos. My sister subscribed to you." Thank you, your sister. I don't know her name, but thank you. This one is from Kira, and I will cover up her last name too. And she drew little stars on it. And inside it says, "Thank you for coming in and talking." Nope. "Thank you for coming in and taking your time from your day. Also, thank you for the makeup you gave me. Thank you." And then she drew a little heart that said makeup in it. That's super cute. Thank you, dear. And what she's talking about, the makeup that I gave him, I had a bunch of Mary Kay samples, so I just gave them to the kids. And they could do with whatever they want. They could play with them, or they give it to their mom or their sister or whatever. Excuse me. Okay. This one is from Alexis. She's very good friends with my little girl. I hear about her a lot. It says thank you. And then it says, "You and Madison were hilarious. I loved it. We were cracking jokes a lot. You do awesome makeup. I love to watch your videos." And then she drew a little play button. "P.S. I wanted to see Madison's dad dressed like a lumberjack." Okay, so I put up pictures of my FX makeup, and the one that she's talking about is where he had a bullet hole in his head. And I had to cut out the monsters that were behind him because it was for Halloween. And then there was another one where he was Michael Myers and my daughter was Laurie Strode. And I had to cut him out because they were afraid the kids would get nightmares. So I had to cut him out. But that's what she's talking about. Okay, the next one is from Lucas. And it says, thank you. Thank you for coming to, and then it says the name of the school. I'm not going to tell you the name of the school. Thank you for letting us use some makeup, and that was funny when you did Madison's makeup. That was pretty funny. Thank you, Lucas. I think all of them had names on them so far. Okay. I don't know who this one's from yet. Excuse me. It says, thank you for the testing makeup. You have an awesome passion. You have an awesome daughter. Thank you. I think so too. And an awesome friend. Thank you so much. From Zoe. Thank you, Zoe. That's cute. She's got really pretty handwriting. Whoop. Can't set it down. Hang on. Okay. Next one says, thank you. I feel like they all say thank you. So it says, thank you for coming in the school. I like your makeup. And this one doesn't have a name. It does not have a name. But this is, they drew a little eyeball and lips and a little nose. And I think that could potentially be a little beauty mark. But it doesn't have a name on it. Kids, you gotta write your name on the papers, or we don't know who it's from. This one is from Jude. Thank you, with a big smiley face. Thank you so much. It was really cool to see what you do. Thank you. You're welcome, and thank you for listening. Okay, this one is super duper cute. It says thank you, and I don't know who drew it yet, but they did a little unicorn on it. Super cute. I like it. This is from Addie. You did a great job, kid. She didn't write anything on the inside, but she drew a picture. Super cute. I like it. I like it, girl. Okay. This one is from Gabriella. It says, thank you. I watched your video. It was cool. I tried some. It worked. It was so cool. So cool. I wish I was you. Thank you, dear. But do not wish to be anybody else. Only be you. Because you are the only person who can be you. And you're the best at it. But thank you. Okay, this one is from Kelsey, I think. It says thank you. Right there. She drew a bunch of makeup. Super cute. And it says from Kelsey. Let's see what it says on the inside. Thank you for coming in. I love makeup. And she drew, I believe it's mascara. Did a pretty good job. Pretty good. Okay, this one is from Xavier, I think. Thank you for telling us about what you do, I think, with your makeup, or do too with your makeup. I don't know. But that's from Xavier. Thank you, buddy. This one's from Olivia. She drew a heart on the front, and it says, I like it when you came. Thank you. Short, sweet, to the point. Thank you. Okay, this one is from Kirsten. Almost called her Kristen. It's not. It's Kirsten. And she drew just a pretty little thing. It's super cute. I like it. She did a good job. There's some pretty good artists in her class. So I don't know who drew it yet. But they did an eyeball, and it says Ink Princess 85. I love makeup. I think that you are inspiring. I love your makeup job. Claire. Thank you, Claire. This one is from Ava. Let me cover up her last name. Right there. And she drew a little picture. And it says, what you do is amazing to me. You are so good. You are so creative and amazing. thank you for the makeup, and also thank you for coming. Oh, and she drew some little flowers on the back. That's super cute. And I like your flowers. Now, I don't know. They may watch this in class. They may not. I don't know. But if they do, hi guys. So I don't know. But this one, I don't know. Oh, my Lanta. It's so tiny. This is from Kendall, I think. It's so little. It's right there. It says, thank you. Really big. Oh, that's cute. Okay. So it says over here, MSB. That's me. Okay, it says makeup artist. Specialty is makeup. And then bright colors are your favorite. Because they asked me. Oh, and then they drew me. It's right there. I asked what my favorite like eye look to do was. And I told them anything that was like bright and bold and in your face. Because I just like bright colors. I think it's pretty. Wow. Okay. I don't know who drew this yet, but they drew a picture of an eyeball. And that is a really good eyeball. Can I open it? There we go. Oh, there's no name. There's no name in it. Okay. But it says, thank you for demonstrating your skills of makeup to us. You're very good at it. Thank you. And then whoever it was drew a little smiley face in there. Put your names on them. Like, I get on to my kid all the time because she never writes her name on things. I'm like, put your name on it. Like, I'm one of those moms, like, write your name on it. Okay. This is from, I'm going to go with Tucker, I think. This one says, thank you for coming in and inspiring me in YouTube. You are welcome, dear, and thank you for listening. If you want to do YouTube, do it. It's fun. I enjoy it. You meet lots of cool people that you may have never ever met. So, this one is, I don't know yet. It says, thank you for coming in. Thank you. Oh, this is from Emma. Thank you, Emma. See if I can know your name. I can tell you thank you. Oh, my Lanta. Okay. This one, I don't know who did it yet, but they drew a picture of I'm assuming this is a makeup palette. It says Macy's in it. And it says, thank you so much. I went home and watched 5 of your videos. They were great, and so are you. Thank you. From Sarah. That's a great name because that's my name too. And it's spelled the same way. Okay. Oh, this one's from my kid. It says, thank you, Mommy. Thank you for not, thank you for not, I think she meant getting. But it says, thank you for not glitter in my eyeball. I think she meant getting glitter in my eyeball. And then she drew a picture of a face with glitter in it, and it says, ow. So when I was doing her makeup, I asked the class, I said, who thinks she needs glitter? And of course, everybody raised their hand and screamed yes. And then there was a couple little boys in the front, and they were like, they said, oh, I said, where should it go? And they said, put it in her eye. And she was like, no. It was cute though. But that's where she got that from. It was funny. This one is, okay, I feel like I know this name because I've heard her say it. Shavkat, I think. I don't know. But that's what that's what it says. But that's what she always calls him. So I'm assuming that's what his name is. It just says thank you with a thumbs up. And it says thanks for coming. Again, short and sweet, to the point. Thank you, dear. Okay, and this one is from Riley. It says, thank you. I hope you do really good in YouTube. Me too. Also, being a mom is the hardest job. And then they wrote YouTube all over it. And because they asked me, they said, do you have another job except for YouTube? And I said, yes, I do. And they said, what is it? I said, it's the hardest job in the world. And I said, it's being a mom. Because that is the hardest job in the world. It is. So kids, please listen to your mamas and your daddies. Because it's not easy. Okay. This one is from Tyler. It says, thank you. It says, I loved it. I loved it when you put glitter on Madison eyeball. I watched your videos and they put a little play button. Super cute. Thank you, Tyler. Heard a lot about him too. Apparently he's a very nice and good kid. Okay, this one is from David. It says, thank you for coming in and showing us what you do. From David. Thank you, David. And that is all of them. That is all the cards that I got. So those are all the ones that I can read. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please, please, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and become a member of my YouTube family. And I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.